Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find remote jobs on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed website in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can easily apply for jobs and save listings. Now, to find remote jobs, there are a few simple methods you can use. The first method is very direct. Go to the job search bar on the home page. In the What field, type the word remote. Then, in the Where field, you can enter your location or leave it as it is. Press Enter or click on the search button. You will now see a list of jobs that are marked as remote. Scroll through the results and open any job that matches your interest. The second method is more specific. In the What field, type the job title along with the word remote. For example, you can type remote data entry. Then click on Find Jobs. This will show you remote jobs related to data entry. You can use this method for any role, such as remote graphic design or remote customer support. The third method is to use the location field differently. Leave the job title as it is or enter your preferred role. Then, in the Where field, type remote instead of a city or country. Press Enter to search. This will show remote jobs that are not limited to your local area, giving you more options to choose from. Try all three methods and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching.